conflict between Russia and Ukraine has entered an increasingly complex and layered phase, where battlefield dynamics are no longer determined solely by ground troop movements or long-range artillery. This war has evolved into a contest of technology, intelligence, and air dominance, where every strategic decision carries broad geopolitical impacts. It is within this context that reports and analyses have emerged regarding Russia's deployment of MiG-31 fighter jets to areas directly related to the Ukrainian conflict. This move is not merely a routine military maneuver, but a reflection of Russia's strategic approach to maintaining the balance of power and securing its national interests amidst intensifying geopolitical pressure. For Russia, the Ukrainian conflict is not just a regional issue, but part of the Eastern European security dynamics that have unfolded over several decades. The eastward expansion of NATO's influence, the increase in Western military aid to Ukraine, and the shifting regional security landscape have forced Moscow to adjust its defense posture. In this regard, the deployment of the MiG-31 can be understood as a rational response to the rising complexity of threats, particularly in the aerial and information domains. Russia views air superiority as a key factor in maintaining operational stability and preventing unwanted escalation. The MiG-31 is no ordinary fighter aircraft. It is the product of a Soviet military philosophy that emphasizes the protection of vast territories and long-range interception capabilities. Designed to operate across expansive areas and under extreme conditions, this aircraft has become a symbol of Russia's strategic defense approach, which prioritizes airspace control over mere offensive dominance. In the context of the Ukrainian conflict, the MiG-31 serves as a tool for surveillance, deterrence, and, if necessary, a platform for long-range precision strikes. Russia's decision to operate the MiG-31 also reflects a profound understanding of the changing character of modern warfare. Today's conflicts are no longer determined by troop numbers alone, but by the quality of sensors, the speed of decision-making, and the ability to strike high-value targets with minimal risk. In this regard, the MiG-31 offers a unique combination of high speed, long range, and the capability to carry advanced weaponry systems capable of reaching targets far beyond the front lines. One crucial aspect of the MiG-31 is its role as part of a multi-layered defense system. This aircraft does not operate in isolation. Rather, it is integrated with ground-based radar networks, air defense systems, and other intelligence platforms. This integration allows Russia to build a comprehensive situational awareness of the regional airspace, ensuring that any potential threat can be identified early on. In the context of the Ukraine war, this capability has become critical given the increasing use of drones, cruise missiles, and long-range precision strike systems. The MiG-31 also possesses advantages in terms of speed and operational altitude. With the ability to fly at speeds exceeding Mach 2.8 and operate at extreme altitudes, this aircraft can reach operational areas in a very short time and complicates interception efforts by opposing defense systems. This advantage provides Russia with strategic flexibility, enabling a rapid response to various threat scenarios without having to permanently deploy large forces in a single area. In the context of Ukraine, the use of the MiG-31 also carries psychological and political dimensions. Its presence sends a message that Russia possesses the capability to escalate in a measured manner if necessary. However, at the same time, this deployment also functions as a deterrent, as it demonstrates that Russia still maintains significant strategic power reserves ready to be used to protect its interests. In Russian military doctrine, deterrence is often considered just as important as the use of force itself. Furthermore, the MiG-31 plays a vital role in carrying and launching high-speed, long-range weaponry systems. This capability makes the aircraft not just a defensive tool, but also a strategic platform that can influence the military calculations of the opposition. With the ability to strike from a relatively safe distance, Russia can maintain the strategic initiative without having to engage in high-risk, close-quarters aerial combat. It is important to note that the use of the MiG-31 does not necessarily mean uncontrolled escalation. In many cases, The presence of this aircraft actually serves as a stabilizing tool, as it creates a balance of power that prevents any party from taking unilateral aggressive steps. Within this framework, the MiG-31 becomes part of a balancing strategy aimed at keeping the conflict within certain limits, even though tensions remain high. From a technical standpoint, the MiG-31 is the result of a long evolution in Russian military aviation technology. The aircraft was designed to counter high-speed threats, including strategic bombers and cruise missiles. Its avionics systems allow for multi-target detection and tracking, providing a significant advantage in the dense and dynamic modern warfare environment. This capability is highly relevant in the Ukrainian conflict, where various types of aerial vehicles are utilized simultaneously. Furthermore, the MiG-31 reflects Russia's approach of prioritizing endurance and reliability. The aircraft is designed to operate in extreme weather conditions, with high readiness levels and maintenance requirements that can be adapted to field conditions. This allows Russia to maintain a consistent aerial presence without excessive reliance on vulnerable infrastructure. In the broader geopolitical context, the deployment of the MiG-31 also carries symbolic implications. It demonstrates that Russia maintains its military capabilities despite facing economic pressure and international sanctions. The operational sustainability of this aircraft serves as evidence that the Russian defense industry is still capable of supporting the country's strategic needs while simultaneously asserting the technological independence that is one of the pillars of Moscow's defense policy. From a purely military analysis perspective, the presence of the MiG-31 in the Ukrainian theater reflects a calculated and measured approach. Russia does not rely on a single type of force, but rather integrates various elements, land, air, and defense systems, to create a synergistic effect. In this regard, the MiG-31 acts as a link between these various layers of defense. It is also important to understand that the Ukrainian conflict is not just a military battle, but also an arena for testing doctrine and technology. In this context, the use of the MiG-31 provides Russia with the opportunity to test the effectiveness of its operational concepts under real-world conditions, while simultaneously gathering valuable data for future system development. This is a common practice in modern conflicts, where field experience becomes the foundation for enhancing military capabilities.